ये गिलास जूठा है। It is a used glass. It is a used glass. ज़्यादा नखरे मत दिखाओ। Don't show tantrums so much. Don't show tantrums so much. हमारी खूब पटती है। We get along very well. We get along very well. तुमसे ना हो पाएगा। You won't be able to do. You won't be able to do. Or you can say, this can't be done by you. This can't be done by you. तूने सबकी बोलती बंद कर दी। You kept everyone's mouth shut. You kept everyone's mouth shut. वो मुझे भाव नहीं देती। She doesn't pay attention to me. She doesn't pay attention to me. तूने तो मेरी नाक कटवा दी। You let me down. You let me down. उस दिन से मैंने उसे नहीं देखा। I have not seen him since that day. I have not seen him since that day. उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे। The pot is calling, the kettle is black. The pot is calling, the kettle is black. वह पिछले हफ्ते से बीमार है। He has been ill since last week. He has been ill since last week. हमारी खूब पटती है। We get along very well. We get along very well. मेरा कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है। I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like doing anything. दाल में कुछ काला है। There is something fishy. There is something fishy. ये काम हो जाना चाहिए था। This work should have been done. This work should have been done. तुम बहुत नखरे दिखाती हो। You have many tantrums. You have many tantrums. तुम्हारे औकात क्या है? What is your worth? What is your worth? वो तो डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है। He is being a doctor. He is being a doctor. वो तो टीचर बनना चाहता है। He is being a teacher. He is being a teacher. हमें क्या पढ़ाया जाता था? What were we taught? What were we taught? तुम मेरे क्या लगते हो? Who are you to me? Who are you to me? हर कुत्ते का दिन आता है। Every dog has a day. Every dog has a day. तुम्हारी नाक बह रही है। You have a runny nose. You have a runny nose. तुम्हारे चेहरे पर कुछ लगा है। There is something on your face. There is something on your face. मैं बात का पक्का हूँ। I am the man of words. I am the man of words. उन्हें कहाँ भेजा गया था? Where had they been sent? Where had they been sent? वो हमेशा अपनी चलाता है. He always has his way. He always has his way. मुझे चने की झाड़ पर मत चढ़ाओ. Don't praise to the sky. Don't praise to the skies. मैं तुम्हारे लायक नहीं हूँ. I don't deserve you. I don't deserve you. तुझ में रब दिखता है. I see God in you. I see God in you. मैं उस पर फिदा हो गया हूँ. I have fallen for her. I have fallen for her. तुमसे बात करने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. It's no use talking to you. It is no use talking to you. मैं अपने वादे से नहीं मुकरता. I don't weasel out. I don't weasel out. सब वक्त वक्त की बात है. It's all about time. It's all about time. वो ऊंचा सुनता है. He is hard to hearing. He is hard to hearing. तुम दिमाग से पैदल हो. You are off with the mind. You are off with the mind. तुम कब सुधरोगे? When will you mend your ways? When will you mend your ways? मैं किसी को मुंह दिखाने के काबिल नहीं रहा. I am not worth showing my face to anyone. I am not worth showing my face to anyone. Or you can say, I have got defamed. I have got defamed. इसमें तेरा क्या जाता है? How does it concern you? How does it concern you? मैं दौलत का भूखा नहीं हूँ. I am not hungry for wealth. I am not hungry for wealth. तुम मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़े हो? Why are you after me? Why are you after me? मुझे कम दिखाई देता है. I am short of sight. I am short of sight. सब ठीक है. All is well. All is well. ताली दोनों हाथों से बजती है. It takes two to make a quarrel. It takes two to make a quarrel. मैं भीग चुका हूँ. I have drenched. I have drenched. वो घोड़े बेचकर सो रहा होगा. He is having a sound sleep. He is having a sound sleep. तुम्हें किसी की नज़र न लगे. Let no evil eye cast you. Let no evil eye cast you. तुमने मेरे मुंह की बात छीन ली. You snatched the word out of my mouth. You snatched the word out of my mouth. बात बहुत बिगड़ गई है. The matter has taken the serious turn. The matter has taken the serious turn. वह कई दिनों से सोया नहीं है। He has not slept for few days. He has not slept for few days. मैं उसे बहुत दिनों से जानता हूँ। I have known him for a long time. I have known him for a long time. मैंने कल से कुछ नहीं खाया। I have eaten nothing since yesterday. I have eaten nothing since yesterday.